In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand your Google Docs font library successfully. If you're looking to add a little more style and personality to your documents, adjusting your font selection can make a significant difference. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can do this with ease. First, open up the Google Docs document you're working on, or go ahead and start a new one if you're beginning from scratch. Once you have your document open, look at the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll see a range of options that help you modify your text. Now, locate the Font drop-down menu. That's where the current font name is displayed, typically something like Arial or Times New Roman, depending on your default settings. Clicking on this drop-down allows you to see a basic list of available fonts. However, in order to access an even broader selection, we're going to click on More Fonts, which you'll find at the very top of this list. This option opens up a world of choices beyond the usual suspects. When you click More Fonts, the Fonts window appears on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Here, you are not just limited to browsing the fonts. You can actively search, sort, and select ones that suit your specific needs. At the top, there's a search bar. If you already have a font in mind, just type in the name and see if it's available. It's a quick and efficient way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through endless options. If you're not quite sure what you want yet, you can filter through categories. These include styles like serif, sans serif, handwriting, monospace, and more, which helps narrow down fonts that match the look and feel you're aiming for. This feature is particularly helpful if you are trying to maintain consistency in style throughout your document or across multiple projects. Now, sorting is another useful tool at your disposal. You can sort through the fonts based on popularity, which shows you the fonts that are most commonly used and probably familiar. Alternatively, you could sort them alphabetically if you're looking for a specific name, or by trending to see what's new and exciting. The option to sort by date added is also available, which could be useful if you want to explore the freshest additions to the font library. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click on the fonts you wish to add. These selected fonts will appear in the My Fonts list on the right side of the window, ensuring you have quick access to them. Finally, hit the OK button to add these fonts to your personal library. You'll now find these fonts readily accessible in your regular font drop-down, making them easy to apply to any text in your document. By taking these steps, you can customize your Google Docs experience, enhancing not just the aesthetic appeal, but also ensuring your documents communicate your style and professionalism. Happy typing!